This question he's writing in from Bijapur, and he's bought at levels of 43 rupees per share. 8,000 shares have been bought, and he's looking for a 3-month time frame. I'm not going to ask a question on the fundamentals. Really, it is a short-term question, and I think it's a trading idea. What's the view, Vaishali, on the chart?
Avoid.
Avoid. So exit at this point?
Yes.
Book the losses? Okay.
Yes.
And so then, okay, if that is the case, then let me then ask a fundamental question. Since on the technicals it is, and I know Rajesh's face, and by this point I can read his expressions, I'm guessing that he is not going to suggest a hold on the fundamentals either. Would you suggest, on the other hand, to switch to the market leader, which is Interglobe Aviation at these levels? The prospects for Indian aviation and for the market leader, which has over 60% market share in the domestic market, seems to be quite significant.
See, Alex, the problems of SpiceJet is never ending, I think. Money, every now and then you have some bad news coming in and the stock starts moving down. It's still trading at around 52-week levels, 52-week low levels, if I'm not wrong. So it's better to avoid these kind of stock fundamentals. There are nothing left. Sometimes there are news of salary being had, sometimes other things. So why not go for the market leader? That's Interglobe, as you said. Yes, it's a pricey stock, but then it's a market leader doing very well. The numbers in the last 2-3 quarters have been very good. And with crude around $70 from such long period of time, I think these companies are going to do well. So switch from SpiceJet to Interglobe.
And look at that chart. In fact, if we try to pull up the comparison between the two, SpiceJet has been down 48% almost year to date, and Interglobe Aviation has seen an uptick of around 25% year to date, and that explains.
Stark,
yes,
right?
It's very stark, and that explains the fundamentals and the technical view as well, right? So thank you for that, both of you, Rajesh and Vaishali. We've got our next question then from Chaitanya, who's writing us from Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam, and asking about CDSL. He wants to know if he can make an entry at the current levels for the next 2 years. Rajesh, your view with regards to this counter?
Of course, it's a good buy, no doubt on that. The EMI stocks are doing well, have been doing well in the recent past. It's only recently that they have come under certain pressure because of all the news. But I think the way equity culture is expanding in our country, be it direct equity or be it SIP, these companies, be it NSDL, CDSL or BSE, are going to do well. So it's a buy from our side for somebody thinking of 2 years horizon.